Woo! It is snowing, it is cold. It's about 15 degrees today with some lake effect snow. We've got about 6 inches over the past couple days from Winter Storm Blair. And just in time we got single digits and possibly some below zero stuff coming. Yeah, this is, wow, you can see the snow coming now, people. I've been plowing, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about, hey, shut up! My God, woman. The video is about this thing. This is from Osaka Lighting. Alright, you need to go. I'm trying to make a video. This is from Osaka Lighting. She wants up there. It's a heated. That's warm. That's warm. I have it set on low. Anyways, it's from Osaka Lighting. It's a heated chicken perch. So keep your chicken's feet warm. So these are all separate pieces. You just have 2 screws on the bottom. You just slip, and then this here is kind of, these screws are taken out and it's folded in half in the box. You just put the screws in, tighten the wing nuts up, plug it in, and then you have 3 settings: low, medium, and high. So I think I'm gonna put it on medium and then a lot of my birds sit up here at night, so we'll see. And I think, I don't know if I can do that. I hate this camera. You have to have a tool to do it. Anyways, so we got these sub-zero temperatures coming, so I think the chickens are gonna like this. It's definitely getting warm already, so it'll be interesting to see. It does say you can't use this at 50 degrees or higher because it will scald your chickens. But I also have a turkey that sits up here. One of the turkeys. Where is she at? Down there she is. The big one down there. It sits up here. So it'll be interesting to see. There she's going in. She wants to lay an egg. So, but Osaka Lighting, they sent this to me for free. I haven't heard back about any kind of compensation, but I'm going to leave you guys a link in the description below for it. I think they're right around $40, $45. I forget, I did look. But, yeah, it's actually nice and toasty warm. I think the chickens are going to like it. So, alright, well, that's what this video is about, keeping your chicken's feet warm. So, we'll see how it goes. I'll check back with you in a couple days to see if, and I might be able to get some footage at night from my cameras of them sitting here. So, alright, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Check out in the link below the Osaka Lighting heated chicken perch. I'll put a link down there for you. And we'll catch you on the next one, people.